And I'm talking about the people that were brought and sent into your life to help you heal.
All right, I'm talking to you healers out there who continuously pour into other people. Don't do that. Don't do that, because people are going to mishandle your energy. But if you are making them responsible for you and your energy and how you treat them, and they should be kind with it and they should not ask for it, they should know your limits. No, 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 no. That's you. That's your job. You actually are the one who's supposed to be setting the example. If you know your boundaries, then they'll know them. If you talk about your boundaries, then they'll know them, and you won't feel exhausted. And those people, you don't have to care about the fact that they are angry and frustrated because you set the boundary. They will learn that they didn't die because you set the boundary. They'll go figure something out. It is their lesson to learn, but it's also yours to learn. Protect yourself, protect your boundaries. My name's Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful connections in your personal and professional life. And you can do that if you set some great boundaries. If you don't know how, I've got amazing tips for you.